Hi, my name is Niko Novick and I'm the creative director of N2 Mixology here in beautiful, sunny, quarantined Los Angeles. Now, as you get ready to tune into Junior Achievement of Northern California's Virtual Hall of Fame Gala, here's how to make its signature drink, the Tomorrowtini. Let's get to it. First, you're going to take 2 ounces of your choice of vodka. Next, we're going to take half a lemon. I like to use Meyer lemon because it's my favorite bright citrus, to a full half. Get it everywhere. Now, for the special ingredient, we're going to do a cucumber kiwi jalapeno syrup. I made this by cold pressing the ingredients and adding equal parts cane sugar. Now we're going to add our ice and shake. Now you really want to wake this baby up. That should do it. And we grab our glass. Use a little fine strainer to get those little ice chips out. Ooh, yeah. It's a beautiful color. And last but not least, our garnish. So I'm going to put a little fresh slice of kiwi with the cherry. Slap some mint. And there you go. A Tomorrowtini.